Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes, and I also want to know down below, what is the highest price you think Chainlink will see this year? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. We are now starting to see a correction phase in this crypto market, but we have had an incredible past couple months. Do not fear, this always happens in cryptocurrency, and the best time you could possibly buy is during these times. Bitcoin is currently down 10% to 30,848, Ethereum is at 1,152, Polkadot is at $16.25, XRP is at 26 cents, Cardano is at 31 cents, Chainlink is at $19.25, and Stellar is at 25 cents. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink, so let's start off with its price. Chainlink recently broke its all-time high to $23.65, which is absolutely incredible. It is up 7% over the last 7 days, it is up 55% over the last 30 days, it is up 56% over the last 90 days, and it is up 658% throughout the year. And if I show you this chart on the 90 day, as you can see here, Chainlink ended up bottoming twice. We ended up bottoming at $10 in November, and then we did the same in December. But since then, we have been in a very bullish direction, and in 2021, Chainlink has had an incredible start to the year. Yes, the crypto market is having a slight correction at the moment, but as I always say, that is incredibly healthy in this space. If I show you here on this chart, as you can see, which we'll talk about more later, as you can see now, Chainlink has hit a very key level, which is $18, and now it looks like the bottom is in. So overall, Chainlink is still in a very bullish direction. We have got so much more to look forward to, so do not be fearful during these times. We're now going to jump into the first article to do with Chainlink, and this article says, is Grayscale about to unveil a linked trust? Mystery fillings using Grayscale's name suggest the multi-billion-dollar firm may be looking to expand the number of trusts. Grayscale Investments could be set to launch a raft of new products, including a Chainlink trust, if freshly unearthed filings are to be believed. According to the State of Delaware's Division of Corporations, someone set up a Grayscale Chainlink trust on December 18, 2020. On the same day, a Basic Attention Token Trust, Decentraland Trust, Live Peer Trust, and Tezos Trust were also initiated. Before these communities get excited, Grayscale Investments is yet to officially confirm it is behind the filings. Some reports have cast doubts on their legitimacy, as the registered agent for the trust is listed as Delaware Trust Company and not Grayscale. However, the Delaware Trust Company is listed on the Grayscale website as one of its official service providers, and the same details were used in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust filings in 2013. Even so, new trusts are far from certain to launch. 2 months earlier in October, a Filecoin trust was created, and this is yet to be made public. Adding to the uncertainty, a few weeks after the inception of these trusts, Grayscale CEO stepped down. It is unclear if the new CEO will continue the same strategy as before, or if he will take the firm into a new direction. The Stellar Trust was made public almost 6 weeks after inception. The majority of Grayscale's digital asset trusts are normally made public within days of the legal forming date stated on Delaware's corporation filing website. The vocal Chainlink army have taken to Twitter to show their support for the filing, speculating what effect this might have on the token's price. Chainlink recently passed Bitcoin Cash to become the 8th biggest cryptocurrency with a market cap of more than $9 billion and a new all-time high of over $23. And since then, we have hit a consolidation phase. So overall, just remember, this is just rumoured news for a moment, but if this did happen with Grayscale and Chainlink, this would be absolutely massive, especially with what else is coming up. But for now, take it with a pinch of salt, and I'm going to show you some screenshots. But I also want to know down below, what price do you think Chainlink would go to if this turned out to be true? This is the next article I want to show you before we take a look at a clip from Sergey Nazarov, and this one says COTI will integrate Chainlink to decentralized CVI index. In October 2020, COTI announced the live launch of CVI, the world's first crypto volatility index for decentralized finance, or also known as Market Fear Index. They are excited to announce that they will integrate Chainlink to both decentralize how CVI is calculated and make CVI data available across all other platforms. This integration helps CVI realize its ultimate vision of being decentralized, stable, transparent and informative, as well as being a benchmark for cryptocurrency volatility information. And it says down here, we selected Chainlink as our go-to Oracle solution because it is the most secure, reliable and flexible Oracle network in the market. Not only has its decentralized Oracle infrastructure proven its ability to secure billions of dollars in value live in production for leading DeFi applications, but its technology offers the extreme flexibility we require to access data from any premium data provider, perform custom calculations on aggregated dataset, and bridge that data to both the Crypto Volatility Index and its trading platform. CVI is a full-scale decentralized ecosystem built by COTI that brings sophisticated and very popular market fear index to the crypto market. CVI is designed to determine the market's expectation of future volatility over the next 30 days. It is created by computing a decentralized volatility index using cryptocurrency option prices, employing the popular Black-Scholes option price model while adapting it to the current crypto market conditions. So overall, this is one integration of many for Chainlink this week. They have made many more. Throughout this year, they have already made over 20 integrations, and throughout the past couple years, they have made over 390 integrations and counting. So Chainlink has one of the fastest growing ecosystems out there, and it is not showing any signs of slowing down anytime soon. It is one of the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market, and it should definitely be one to watch. We're now going to take a look at a clip from Sergey Nazarov explaining what he thinks is coming.
The low yields and the inflation of the traditional financial system will continue and bring everyone to a breaking point where people will seek out alternative sources of yield. And that alternative source of yield will be DeFi. And eventually people will not be getting crypto assets in order to have crypto assets that they think will increase in value, but so that they can access DeFi. They will acquire crypto assets such as Bitcoin and others so that they can use DeFi as a bank account or some kind of financial product instead of the financial products that give them the 0.1, 0.5% rate of return while there's increasing inflation. And I think that's an extremely powerful force that is very clearly on the horizon, based and increasingly more on the horizon in a larger and larger size. That if the capabilities of DeFi to provide superior yield with greater transparency and therefore less risk continue to be even where they are now. If you come up to a person on the street and you say, do you know where your bank account gets your savings rate from, your APR? Do you know if it does commercial or residential loans? Do you know the risk profile of your bank? Do you know why? Do you know that they actually reduced your rate of return? I think a lot of people don't know their rate of return. They don't know where it comes from. Many of them probably don't even know it was reduced. But once inflation kicks in, everyone's gonna know real quick. Then there's gonna be a mad dash for yield, and I think that's where you really have the equivalent of the e-commerce boom. Is that if DeFi can provide that yield, the boom will be the mainstream using blockchains not to own a crypto asset, but because cash in the form of a stable coin that gets 2% yield is obviously superior to cash in a bank account that gets 0.1% yield.
To finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and if I show you this chart here, even though majority of the market is in a correction phase at the moment, Chainlink is still looking very strong. Recently, we did break its all-time high to just shy of $24, but now we are heading into a slight correction phase. Chainlink ended up bottoming at around $18 so far, and as you can see, the bears tried to push it down to $16, but the bulls pushed it back up to $18, and now we are in bullish territory. But the question is, will we see a further correction with Chainlink? I personally think for us to be in a neutral phase, anything in between $18 or $15 is a very good buying opportunity at this point, considering Chainlink's potential. Chainlink does have an incredible future ahead of itself, and it has been the hottest cryptocurrency 2 years in a row. Will it continue for a third? If we end up falling below the levels of $14, that is when things will start to get very risky for Chainlink, as that is getting to bearish territory. There will be many key levels in between this, but they can be as well very good buying opportunities. If you end up buying at the bottom of the bear market, you will make significantly more money in the process. But even though this market is having a slight correction at the moment, there is still nothing to worry about. We have seen this multiple times in this crypto space. There are going to be a lot of new people here in this space, and it is going to make them panic. But trust me, you have not seen anything yet. I will always try and advise people to stay strong because emotions play a big factor in this game, and if I can personally encourage people to get excited when the market is down because it is a very good buying opportunity rather than be fearful, then I am personally happy, because that is what you want to do in cryptocurrency. But I want to know down below, what price do you personally think Chainlink will be by the end of the year? I personally think we will see anything above $100, and that is conservative. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have the loyal supporter membership where you can help support the channel. We have the brand new gold membership where you'll receive access to my VIP group on Discord, where I'll provide my top cryptocurrency shouts every month, potential coin breakouts, and cryptocurrencies you should potentially look into. And finally, we have the diamond membership where if you are brand new to cryptocurrency, just getting started, or if you need help at all with your portfolio, I will help you to the best of my ability. I will answer any questions you have about cryptocurrency, and I'll also offer any personal support. You will also get access to all the previous tiers. I would advise checking it out as we are looking to build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If it's something you think you might be interested in, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Noobs. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.